Hey guys, so today I am super excited to share with you a resource that I think you're going to love. You see, about a year ago, I launched the Brainiate Show podcast. If you're not already familiar with it, it's a Salesforce-centric podcast that's already available on iTunes, Spotify, SoundCloud, Google Play, YouTube, and more. See, after publishing a bunch of episodes, I essentially took a hiatus so that I can take a step back and rethink my strategy, my goals, and the content for the show. I'm actually happy to say that although the hiatus was way longer than I had actually anticipated, I will be relaunching the Brainiate Show within the next couple of days. So what can you expect? Well, if you've gone to Salesforce events like the World Tour or Dreamforce, or even Salesforce user group events, you can expect something similar without the networking. So on the Brainiate Show, my goal is to give you the best advice and tips that are insightful, fun, true, down-to-earth, no fluff, and no nonsense. I tell it like it is, and if I think an idea is a waste of time or a little bit outrageous, I simply say it. So on the Brainiate Show, I will be sharing with you best practices on using Salesforce. I'll help you solve problems through the Salesforce platform. I will teach you how you can one-up your Salesforce skills. I'm going to help you learn about new Salesforce features. I'm going to help you explore different use cases of how you can use the Salesforce platform to solve many common business problems. I'm going to share with you some cool Salesforce apps. I'm also going to be sharing with you interviews with Salesforce experts, employees, and customers. In the end, the ultimate goal is to provide value to you. So I want to help you learn and grow both personally and professionally through not only the Salesforce platform, but through the Salesforce community at large. So what can you do right now? Well, you can actually do two things. First, I want to make sure that if you're interested in the podcast, go ahead and subscribe to it. You can subscribe to it, as I mentioned before, on iTunes, on Spotify, on SoundCloud, on Google Play, on YouTube, wherever you want. Simply go to Google and search The Brainiate Show and find your favorite platform, or open up your mobile device and open up whatever app you use to listen to podcasts and search The Brainiate Show, and you can subscribe right there. You can also get involved by asking questions, because a big portion of my show is about answering your questions and giving you the feedback and the resources and the tips and the advice that you want to know about. So go ahead and drop me a note. If you've got a Salesforce related question, drop me a note, either as a comment right here on this content on the page you're looking at right now, as a direct message. You can send me an audio recording or a video recording of yourself with your Salesforce related question, and if it's appropriate, I'll add it to the queue and I'll include it in an upcoming episode. Now, I also want to share your career advice, your cool best practices, your success stories, your favorite cool apps that you think I should be highlighting. So if you've got ideas for any of that, go ahead and drop me a note as well. Add a comment, send a direct message, let me know how you would like to get involved. That's it for now. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the Brainiate Show. Have an awesome day.